Tonight, Ras Al Khaimah has once again dazzled the world with a record-breaking drone and fireworks display. I'm so excited to announce this marks the 6th year in a row our New Year's Eve show has set 2 Guinness World Records titles. We are even more proud that it delivered an amazing visual experience that celebrated our natural landscapes, rich culture, and bold ambitions. With the theme, Our Story in the Sky, the show was a tribute to the journey that brought us here. Thank you, Emma.
There we go. And we'll have the second one. Thank you.
Like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notification from the Brew News.